Telegram wallet is here and it literally lets you buy, trade and even transfer crypto within the Telegram app. It comes with even crazy conveniences, with one of the most important that you can do that directly from the Telegram application if you use Telegram for your business purposes. Of course, setting up a Telegram wallet can be somewhat much of a hassle, especially if you're just a newbie with this wallet platform. But thankfully, you've landed on the right video. Hey there, I'm David Kelly from the M Tutorials team and I warmly welcome you to this new video. So in today's episode, we'll be talking about the Telegram app, how you can set up one, and how you can start transferring money from your Telegram wallet. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Setting up a wallet on Telegram is very easy and straightforward, but before you even do that, you need to make sure that you've updated your Telegram app to the latest version. Whether you're on mobile or on PC, you need to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Telegram app. And once you're sure you're using the latest version, you just open Telegram just like so, and then you on this search bar here, you want to search for wallet. Make sure you add the @ symbol to make the search even more specific. And once you've located wallet, you just want to click on it just like so, and what you want to do here is to click on this start button to initiate the wallet. You can go through these few details that you can do with your wallet on Telegram, or you can just go straight to clicking this get started button. And then what you want to do is you want to agree to the terms of use. You can go through them as well, and then you click on continue. So once this comes up, you just want to click on get started, and then you should have this wallet loaded up just like so. So that was just the first step to setting up your Telegram wallet. On this icon on your screen, you should see this show up right here. So you just want to click on this continue to finish setting up your wallet. Okay, you can see the first step has been completed, and then the next step will be to set up a passcode. If you don't have a passcode on your mobile device, I will highly recommend you set up one right now, because the wallet app or wallet is going to use this passcode on your phone to verify every transaction you carry out in the wallet. Okay, so you just want to click on this enable passcode, and here you enter your passcode. Okay, you can set a 4-digit passcode or a 6-digit passcode. Now you should be required to add a recovery email if you haven't set one yet. So this one is required to reset your passcode in case you forget it. So I think this step is one of the crucial steps in this tutorial. So you just want to enter your email address and then click continue. Now you'll be required to enter the code that has been sent to your email address. So let's consult the email address for the code. So here's the code I received. I just want to copy this code, then return to Telegram and paste the code just like so. Then you will have to enable fingerprint if you have one. So the third thing that you want to do is to add your information. Click on it, and then you want to share your contact with wallet just as so. And then you'll be required to enter your basic details, which is just your name and your date of birth. Okay, so after entering this basic information, you just want to click on confirm and finish, and it should take 10 seconds to verify your identity. And once you are verified, you can see that your limit will be increased. Your incoming transactions, the overall limit is going to be increased by €1,000. So on this page here, you just want to click on return to main, and then you've seen that you have already completed 3 of the major steps. Okay, and just one step is left, which I think it's a step that you can easily cover. So you just want to click on add your first crypto and then deposit your crypto. You can either buy USDT, which doesn't cost a penny, or you can receive crypto from an external wallet. Again, to enter the P2P market, you will need to verify your identity on wallet with your national identity card. So this second option here is not an option for us right now. So you can either buy USDT or you transfer from the external wallet. When you click on buy USDT, you'll be able to load it up with your Google Pay wallet or your bank card. And if you have crypto in another wallet, it will be even easier for you to add it from the external wallet. You can see the wallet supports many different cryptocurrencies here. They support dollars, the Ton coin, which is the most prominent on the platform. They also support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Citron, and even Sol coins. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see that they support even many more coins. So just go ahead and add crypto in the way that's preferable for you. And when you're done adding your crypto to the wallet, then you're ready to start transferring money from the platform. So now if you're looking to send crypto with wallet, you just want to click on this, go to the home page on the wallet, and then you click on this send button right here. Now you have two options to send money with crypto. So you have the options with Telegram contact, which doesn't cost any fee. This feature here, or this option here, should let you transfer money or transfer crypto to any other Telegram user that has already activated wallet with your app. So this way is even very easier for you to send payment, especially if you're using Telegram for business purposes. And if you want to send to an external wallet, let's say Coinbase or even Binance, you will need to you'll be required to provide the crypto address of this external wallet to make the transfer possible. So let's say you want to send crypto to another Telegram contact. Just click on that Telegram contact option right there, and then you select the contact who you want to send the crypto. So you should have the wallet load up within your chat with the Telegram contact, and here you'll be able to enter the amount of assets or the assets that you want to send to this Telegram contact. As you can see, you can send just two types of assets, which is the Ton coins and the USDT, okay, which are some of the stable currencies within any wallet that you find out there. And then all you have to do is just to enter the amount of Ton coins that you want to send, and then you click on send. As of now, there's not enough coins in this account, in this wallet, to send the cryptocurrency, but if it is enough in your case, you should be able to send it instantly and without any fee. So that's how you get to set up wallet on Telegram and send and receive crypto. I'll be dropping a link to this complete guide in the video description in case if you want it in a written format. So we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to know the upcoming content. So I catch you in the next episode.